How to cancel a request on Uber. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the tutorial. Open up your Uber application and sign in to your account. To cancel your ride, all you have to do is select the ride that you have requested, then select cancel. Then again to confirm, tap on yes, cancel. To cancel your Uber request that is pre-scheduled, you have to go ahead and select the menu option at your left hand side. From here, you have to go ahead and select your trips. Once you tap on your trip, you will find your scheduled ride in here. Now to cancel, the process is pretty same. Just tap on the cancel option and just like that, you have to confirm and your request will be accepted. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, there might be a bug issue. Now to solve it, you can head back from your Uber. Press and hold onto your app to go to App Info. Force stop it, then head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Next step, open up your Play Store or App Store. Search for Uber and search for any update available. Leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.